Okay guys, let's make this delicious egg drop noodle soup with those beautiful egg ribbons. First we're going to start off with a couple of cups of chicken broth, and then we're going to throw some green onions chopped in there. We're going to bring that to a boil, and then next you're going to need your cornstarch and water, eggs, and some soy sauce. You're going to go ahead and put your seasonings in there, which is those. You're going to put your cornstarch and water in there, and then you're going to put your couple of dashes of soy sauce in there and stir that up. While that's still boiling, you're going to start stirring, and while you're stirring, you're going to slowly pour those eggs in there until those beautiful egg noodle ribbons start to form. Oh, look at that. Lovely. Stir a little bit slower than this video. I had some rice noodles already prepared, so I'm going to go ahead and just ladle some of this egg noodle mixture with the soup and the onions all on the top of that so we get a nice good bowl of it. After that, I'm going to go ahead and top that with some more green onions. And voila, we're ready to eat. That was so delicious, and it was. Oh yeah, 10 out of 10 would recommend.